So today we're gonna show you guys right here, we got a wagon. Look how nice and small it folds up. This could store anywhere, especially if you have a small apartment. This is a great idea. That's how small it is when it folds up. It comes with 4 wheels and brakes, and let's open this bad boy up. That's how it looks when we take out our cover, and all you have is straps around, which we just have to loosen up the straps and open it up. All right, so this is our beautiful heavy-duty wagon. Holds up to 270 pounds, have 2 brakes on the front. It's a really good quality, really nice, sturdy. This could hold a lot of stuff. This is a great idea if you're going like what I'm gonna be doing, going soccer with it. So we put in all our chairs and bags and stuff like that. You could use this in the beach, you could use this to do grocery, or you could even use it to do laundry if you're living in Queens or anywhere like that you do, you know, you visit a laundromat. This is a great idea. You also could put 2 drinks here with bottle, and we got here a nice lock right here too to lock the handle. It's easy. You just squeeze this and then it goes up and down, and then we're gonna like that. Wheel is good 360 motion that goes around in it. Look at that. It's very easy, and look, I'm gonna be pulling it with 1 finger like that. Really nice, smooth, really lightweight and good quality. It's about 37-inch across by 22-inch upward. It's about 20-inch across from here, but you can see how nice and deep. Really good affordable price for a wagon. See that? I like that. You could just snap this back in 1 hand. It could be in your phone with 1 hand, and you could use this with 1 hand. I'm gonna be putting the kids in here when we go because the kids love to be in the wagon. I like how the brakes and everything, it stops completely. It's really a nice wagon. For the price, is good. Check in the description box for price and details, and check out this wagon. We give it a thumbs up on Product Zone. It's definitely not a cheesy, crappy wagon. It's definitely worth it, and wagons could be very expensive, so this one is pretty cool. And I like the 2 drinks holder. I love it. Has many different colors, I believe, too. It comes in many different colors, so